I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I'm an IRS expert on things. I've written a best-selling book on Amazon, exposing IRS secrets for settlements. You may want to give me a subscription. I kind of tell you the things that you need. I want to tell you, by the way, about how tax resolution companies rip you off. It really bothers me. There's so many companies out there, and they're really they're put together by credit card companies. They find a couple of people to work their back end office, and they have a sales floor is what they do, and they get people from maybe a couple people, enrolled agents. They sit in the back and they settle the cases, and they don't know what the hell the salesmen are saying. The salesmen are promising penalty abatements, and they're going to get a settle for a tax debt. And most people, you can't do that. I get all the calls. About 19% of all offers and compromise were accepted. The other 81% weren't, because usually you have sales floors of people that really have no idea what they're doing. They're really trained to go ahead and really hustle you. And let me tell you how this works. First of all, you contact them, and boy, they sound really good. They're going to give you this whole spiel on what's going to happen. Then you're going to have a communication breakdown. You can't contact anybody. Then you're going to talk to someone else, usually. And then the other person is going to try to hustle you for more money, because they've got to get a commission from you. So you may get passed from person to person so they can make more money. So the first fee that you actually have is just the initiation fee, kind of. That's what I call it when you go with the tax resolution company. I'm a former agent. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I don't care who you use. Do not use people that have a sales floor. If you're not speaking to an attorney, an enrolled agent, a former IRS agent, or CPA, these people can't represent you in front of IRS. So the first question out of your mouth to anybody is, can you represent me in front of IRS? If the person says no, hang up the phone and find somebody who can. So these are some of the things that you got to be careful. They bother me about the industry is they let people who have see what's happened. The credit card industry has started putting laws up, so the people there don't know who to go to, how to make their money. So they move to tax resolution. So did the mortgage company. So you got all these people jammed in this space, all trying to make a nickel, and at the end of the day, you're going to get ripped off by some of these people. You just can't choose the wrong company. If you do, you're screwed. So be really careful. Give me a subscription. I tell you the things you need. If you have specific questions, leave it in the comment section. I try to get around to some of them. I can't get around to all of them. Anyway, give me a subscription if you would. I appreciate you. Thank you so very much.